reception, I hope you're all okay. So in this video we're going to be doing some subtraction work. Sometimes we call that takeaway as well. But before we do that, we're going to do a little bit of a warm-up. I've got my number line here going from 1 up to 20, and we're just going to count up our number line together. You can join in with me at home. I'm going to count all the way up, one number at a time, just to help us remember our numbers and say them nice and clearly. Okay, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, well done. Right, this time we're going to go backwards. We're going to go down our number line. We're going to start from 20 and go down to number 1. Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, well done. Okay, so just a quick note for parents about the video. So we're going to be doing subtraction today, as I've said, or taking away. I'm going to start off using objects to help us do the subtraction, because this is the clearest way to demonstrate it, especially for children who don't quite have the concept in their head yet and they don't quite understand what the process is of takeaway or subtraction. So we're going to do that first, then we're going to move on to a slightly more advanced method of demonstrating subtraction by mark making and using pictures and numbers. And it might be that your child is ready for that method as well. It might be that they are more confident just using the objects, and that's fine too. So just take it at your own speed and use whatever is best for your child. I would probably recommend always starting with objects though, just because it really reinforces that idea and that that reinforcement that basically you've got an amount and then you're taking a certain amount away from that to leave a smaller amount. So as long as they've got that concept, that's really important. Okay, right, we'll make a start. Right, reception, so we're going to start doing some subtraction now. To help us with our subtraction, I have got some magic beans. They're just like the ones that the old man sold to Jack in Jack and the Beanstalk, aren't they? So we're going to use these beans to help us to do our counting and to help us with our taking away as well. Okay, so I've got a sheet of paper here. So when I count them, I'm going to put them onto the sheets of paper. Okay, so we need to decide how many beans we want to count out first. I think I want to count out 5 beans. Okay, so when I count them out, I think I'm going to put them in a line, because that way it will be really clear to see how many I have counted out. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Don't forget, you can count along at home if you want to. If you've got jelly beans at home that you could use, great. If you've got something else you can count with, that's great as well. Okay, so because I have put out 5 beans here, 5 magic beans, I'm going to write the number 5 on my sheets. You don't have to do this bit now. If you want to, you can just do the objects. This is just to show you how we write the number sentence as well. You don't have to do this bit if you don't want to. Okay, so we've got 5 magic beans. Okay, then I am going to take some of them away. So we're going to imagine that the old man has got 5 beans and then he gives some of his beans away. So he's going to lose some of them. I'm going to write a takeaway sign here. There's my takeaway symbol. So the old man is going to give away 3 of his beans. So we're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write the number 3 here. So it's given 3 away. Okay, so 5, take away 3. Then I'm going to write an equal sign. Okay, so that's a bit like saying 5 take away 3 is, and then we're going to see how many beans we have got left. Can you see how many beans we've got left? Don't even need to count those really, do we? It's pretty easy. 1, 2. 2 beans left. So I'm going to write number 2. So 5 take away 3 equals 2. We started off with 5 beans. The old man gave 3 beans away and he was left with 2. We can also do that number sentence using our fingers as well. I want you to get 5 fingers out like me. Okay, then we're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you should have 2 left. Well done. Okay, we're going to do a different one now. Okay, so this time we're going to start with a slightly bigger number, I think. We're going to start with 8 beans. Okay, so we're going to count them out first, nice and clearly in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. I'm going to write the number 8 on my sheet. There we go. Okay, so the old man has got 8 beans, and remember he's going to give some of his beans away. Okay, so he's going to lose some of his beans, taking some away. So I'm going to write a take away symbol. So I think this time the old man is going to take away 4 of his beans. Okay, he's going to give 4 away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to write 4 here. This is taken away 4. Okay, then I'm going to write my equal sign. So equals always comes before the answer. Okay. Oh, so how many have we got left? Can we see? If you're not sure, let's count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 left. Let's write the answer here. 4 left. So 8 beans, take away 4, leaves us with 4. Okay, well done. We can also do that one using our fingers as well. So I want you to get 8 fingers out for me. Give them a wiggle. Okay, so we've got 8 fingers. Now we're going to take away 4. We ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we should have 4 fingers left. Well done. Okay, right. We're going to do one more now. Okay, so this time we're going to start with an even bigger number. We're going to start with 10 beans this time. So I'm going to write number 10 here. Okay, and I'm going to count out 10 beans onto my sheet. You ready? You can help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we've got 10 beans there. Okay, so remember the old man is going to give some of his beans away, so we're taking some away, aren't we? Okay, so this time the old man is going to give away, he's going to give away 6 beans, okay? So ready? We're going to start by taking away 6 here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've taken 6 away. I'm going to see what the answer is. So we need to write our equals before the answer. 10 take away 6 equals, oh, can you see how many we've got left? Oh, it's the same answer as last time, isn't it? Except it was a different number sentence. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beans left. We're going to write the number 4 here. There we go. 4 left. Let's see if we can do that one using our fingers as well. So I want you to get 10 fingers out for me. Give them a wiggle. Okay, we're going to take away 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you should have 4 left. Okay, well done. Okay, so this time we're going to do some more subtraction number sentences, but we're going to actually use the number line to help us this time as well, okay? So we're going to carry on using the objects so that you can see really clearly how many we've got, how many we're taking away, but we're also going to use the number line to help us as well, okay? So this time we're going to start off with 9 beans. So I'm going to write 9. Okay, I'm going to count out 9 beans onto my paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's got 9 beans there. We're going to take some away. Okay, so this time we're going to take away 2 beans. Right, number 2, we're taking away 2. Okay, so I'm going to take away 2. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, so our equals, see how many are left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 left. Number 7 here. Okay, so 9 beans. Take away 2 equals 7. Okay, so we've done it using our beans. Now we're going to see if we can do it using our number line. So some of you might remember this method from when we were at school. So we're going to start off by finding the number 9, finding our starting number. Okay, so ready? Tell me when to stop. Oh, there it is, number 9. Okay, now because we're taking away, that means that when we take away on our number line, we're going to be going backwards because the number is going to get smaller, isn't it? We're taking away so that there's going to be less, the number's going to get smaller. So we'll start off with number 9 and we need to take away 2. That means we're going to do 2 jumps backwards on our number line. In case you can't remember which way backwards is, so this way would be forwards, hopping forwards, and this way is backwards, okay? Back down the number line. Okay, so starting from number 9 and we're taking away 2. Okay, so we need to do 2 jumps backwards. You ready? Do this really carefully. 1, 2. And we've landed on number 7, which is our answer, isn't it? So we know that's going to be right. So 9, take away 2, 1, 2, leaves us with 7, okay? That's right, we're going to do a different one this time. Okay, so this time we're going to choose I think we'll have a teen number this time. So I'm going to choose number 13. Okay, so 13, I'm going to count them out on here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we've got 13 there, and this time we're going to take away 3, okay? 13, take away 3. So I need to take 3 away from my beans. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've taken away 3, so I need to see how many are left. So equals comes before my answer, doesn't it? Okay, so there's quite a lot here, so I'm going to count them carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 10 beans left. So 13 beans, take away 3, giving 3 away, equals 10. Okay, now we're going to see if we can do that number sentence using our number line. So first of all, we need to find our starting number. So what is our starting number there? Well, it's the number at the beginning, it's number 13. So we need to find 13 on our number line. So you can tell me when to stop. Oh, there it is, number 13. Okay, so 13, and we're taking away 3. So remember, take away means we jump backwards on our number line, not forwards. Okay, so taking away 3, that means we need to jump back 3 spaces. Okay, so make sure when you do your jumps, you start jumping straight away, and we only jump 1 number at a time. So we can't do these sort of jumps, can we? That's not going to work. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, and we've landed on number 10, which was the answer we got before. Let's do that again. So starting on the 13, taking away 3, 1, 2, 3. We've landed on number 10. Okay, well done. Right, we'll do one more. Okay, so this time we're going to start with, we'll do another teen number. We'll start with number 15. That's how we write 15. So 15, and then we're going to write take away. We're writing that because I know we're going to be doing take away. Okay, so we're going to count out 15 on our piece of paper. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I've got 15 there. So I've already written my takeaway. We're going to take away 4. So 15, take away 4. Okay, 15, take away 4. Also, we're going to take 4 away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write my equals and see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I've got 11 left. So 15 beans, take away 4 beans, leaves us with 11 beans. So we're going to see if we can do that one using our number line as well. So we need to start with our starting number, find our starting number on the number line, which is number 15. So tell me when to stop. Oh, there it is, number 15. So 15, and then we're taking away 4. So that means we need to do 4 jumps backwards on our number line to take away and find the answer. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what did we land on? Number 11, which was our answer we got before. Okay, well done reception, that was really good. Okay, so this is our final method we're going to use for our subtraction, and for this one we're actually going to do a little bit of mark making and showing the number sentence using like a picture. Okay, so as you can see, I've drawn some hands on here. So you might want to get your grown-up to do this for you at home if that's a little bit too tricky for you. You want a nice big hand so that you've got space to do drawing lots of objects inside, basically. Okay, So we're going to pretend that this hand belongs to the old man in Jack and the Beanstalk. So the old man has got his magic beans in his hand, ready to give them away to people. Okay, so we're going to decide how many beans are going to go in this hand here first. Okay, so we're going to start off with, let's have 8. Okay, so we're going to have 8 beans. I'm going to draw them in. So when you're drawing them in, just count as you do each one. They don't have to be amazing drawings, as long they can just be circles, that's fine. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can draw them in any arrangement you want really. I've done mine a little bit as if they were in a tens frame. So a tens frame is when you've got a row of 5 and a row of 5. So obviously because I've got 8, I'd have 5 here and then 3 at the bottom. Okay, so it looks as if it's in sort of a set of 10, like a tens frame. Okay, so I've got 8 there. Okay, then I'm going to write my number 8 at the top here. Okay, so I've got 8. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take some beans away because the old man, he's going to give away some of his beans to somebody. Okay, so he's going to give away 3 of his beans. Okay, there we go, he's giving away 3. Now, to show this on my picture, I can't physically take them off, can I? Because I've drawn them on, so it's not like the objects where I could physically take them away. So instead, what I'm going to do, to show that they've been taken away, I'm going to cross out 3 beans on here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I've crossed out 3. Then I need to see how many I've got left. Okay, so we're going to count the ones that are not crossed out. We're counting out the ones that are left over. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 beans left. So 8 beans, take away 3 equals 5. Okay, I'm going to do the next one now. Oh, I nearly forgot. We can also do that on our number line. Let's just check it on the number line first. So we start with 8, so I'm going to find 8 on our number line, there we go. We're going to take away 3, so we're going to do 3 hops backwards. 1, 2, 3, and we're left with 5, just like this one here, so we know it's right. Okay, right, we're going to go on to the next one now. This time we're going to start with a slightly bigger number. We're going to start with 12 beans. So I'm going to write the number 12. Go. Okay, and I'm going to draw 12 beans into my hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go, I've drawn 12 in there. Okay, so then I'm going to take some away, so I need to write my take away symbol. And I'm going to take away 5 beans this time. So remember, just like I did here, I'm going to cross off the amount that I'm taking away. So I'm taking away 5 beans, so I need to cross off 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go, crossed off 5. So the next thing I need to do, put my equal sign here, we need to see how many are left, how many the old man has got left. So we're going to count the ones that are not crossed out, the ones that are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 beans left. There we go. Let's just check it on our number line as well. So we're going to start at number 12, so we'll find number 12. There we go, number 12. And we're going to take away 5, so we need to do 5 jumps backwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did we land on? Number 7. It's the same as the answer we got here. Okay. Right, we're going to do one more together. Okay, so this time we're going to start at quite a big number this time. We're going to start from number 16. So 1 and a 6 to write that one. Okay, and I'm going to draw 16 beans in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we've got 16 beans there. Okay, and then I'm going to take away 7 beans this time. So I'm going to write the number 7. There we go. Okay, so because I'm taking away 7, to show that on my picture, I'm going to cross off 7 beans. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Write our equal sign. So now we need to work out how many beans the old man has got left now that he's given 7 away. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 9 beans left. There we go, number 9. So 16 beans, take away 7 beans, leaves us with 9 beans. Okay, let's see if we can check that on our number line. So we're going to start from number 16. There it is, number 16, and we're going to take away 7. So we're going to have to do these hops really carefully. Ready? Remember, jumping backwards and not forwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Landed on number 9. Okay, so we've got that one right. Well done. Okay, so you can do this activity yourself now. If you want to do this activity, then great. You don't have to use the same numbers that I did. If you want to use smaller numbers to make it a little bit easier, that's absolutely fine. Or if you're confident using bigger numbers, like the team numbers, that's great as well. Okay, it's up to you how you do it. Okay, so I've shown you lots of different methods of doing subtraction today. So I hope that you're able now to go and have a go at doing 1 or maybe 2 of those methods, whatever is best for you. Okay, bye reception.